Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video I'm going to show you how you can get this contour guide filter on Instagram. So this is the filter. Okay, here you have different templates to select for your face size. Okay, so to get this effect on Instagram, what you have to do is just visit the creator profile. Loon AR Filters is the creator of this effect. You can follow her to unlock all her filter to your Instagram camera tray. She's having some awesome filter. Okay, so check in her filter gallery. She's having lots of filters, so check carefully. Yeah, this is the filter contour guide. Tap on it and you will see this preview. From here you can save it to your Instagram camera tray and you can tap on try to try the filter. Okay, and suppose you are not getting the effect like this, then visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see link to the filter. Just tap on the link and open it with Instagram. Okay, and likewise also you can get this effect on Instagram. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. See you in the next video.